Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix blurry videos on YouTube. So guys, if you ever encounter this issue, what would you try to do? Is just simply go ahead and tap on your video. And from here, you should be able to see the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. And from here, a pop-up will show up. And as you can see, we will have here quality. So just simply tap on that. And as you can see, right now the quality is on 360p. So guys, I recommend going for advanced over here, down below. And now from here, just simply go ahead and tap on 1080p. And from there, you should be able to fix the blurry videos on YouTube. And another option that you have is just simply tap on the gear icon again and tap on the quality. And now from here, as you can see, you will have here at the very bottom, video quality preferences. So tap on that guys over here. And now from here, you will have two options. You will have the video quality on mobile network. So if you are using a mobile network, you can just simply go for auto over here. And now if you are using a Wi-Fi, I recommend going for the higher picture quality over here. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. There you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.